Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your USDT from Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for transfers. But before we dive in, remember that crypto regulations and platform interfaces might change, so always double-check on Binance's official site. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, go ahead and verify your identity. It's crucial for security and withdrawals. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu. Here, you'll see all your assets, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it for withdrawal. Next, look for the Withdraw button. This will open a form where you'll need to choose the withdrawal network. USDT can be on networks like Tron, Ethereum, or BNB Smart Chain, so pick the one that matches your receiving wallet to avoid any fees or issues. Now, enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to prevent losing your funds. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits and network fees. After that, Binance might ask for additional verification, like a 2FA code or email confirmation. This is for your protection, so don't skip it. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on the network, this could take minutes or hours. And just like that, your USDT should be on its way. Always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer to ensure it goes through smoothly. If you run into any hiccups, Binance has great support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.